Hello. And the amount we solve Leetcode merge case sorted list. Basically, the question is a list of sorted lists. Nti kikani na boom na share na present the final results. Nti we say no my 1 4 5 1 3 4 2. Nti no boom 1. Boom in a sorted way. Ababe say. Nti how can we go from this to this? And to solve it now, Babe illustrated something. Near shade the way. And you can see there are 8 lists, right? You will list 1, you will list 2, list 3, list 4, list 5, list 6, list 7, list 8. Right? Now, you pay to my can we anyway, right? It can we anyway, boma. It can we anyway, boma. My they are representing and say L1, 2, near L2, so I say, right? Yeah, but I can we anyway, my L3, 4, right? Near L4. Can we anyway, boma? My L5, 6. You can't we anyway, boma. Am I ye come on? I say, now it's still L6 no one, right? And fancy what 20 fancy an L7, 8, near L8 to I say. Nti see ano osha we and shedin here we move you because and we are can we home, right? Any doing so can we home. And nti see ana aye way anyway. Right? First no you jump up one step back. Like one step, one step, one step, you call one step, right? Nti no. But ye here we view. We don't need we say ye here because you can't we home. We say ye here because you can't we home. We see here because you can't we home. And I will see you here. Into your next step now, your the next step I will say, you have a fat way. Me a come away more. Right? Into washer, when you jump up 1, 2, right? Into this year, if I win when you come up into anyway, no. L1, 2, 3, 4. Still a L2 or and a L3, 4 and a L4. Right? Now I feel it. You see, I in here we when I in here we near here I say. Now I feel it. Into we na best jump 1, 2. Into original we are we in here we view. Right? In here we and away. Right? Into we so by my into we and away. MIL 5, 6, 7, 8. Still I your L6 or your L7, 8 and your L8. Inti we are final one is you can't win anyway, right? Inti you can't win anyway L1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your L. Still, I will now be when I assign L5, 6, 7, 8, your L6, your L7, 8, your L8. It's have your L2, your L3, 4, and an L4. Right? Into washer. Yeah, jump it. Right? Yeah, jump it. Your friend saying first you jump it 2 steps. First, now 1 step from here to here. What here? Here to a first iteration. Second iteration is 2 steps. Right? a 1 2 because you can't go anywhere, right? So I say a one step. I say no a 2 steps because example 1 2 when you come if you are 1 2 I say need 2 steps, right? But I say 1 2 3 4, right? I say no so no a multiples, right? 1 times 2 a 2, 2 times 2 a 4, right? If you hand me say near 5 1 2 3 4 near 5, right? 1 2 3 4 near 5, right? Not steps, right? Iterating steps no has to increase. The person may yes example now who the way steps no is coming about. But see a person merge two lists that two already sorted lists that there's already your algorithm or a friend like merge sort. And my video on merge sorted so that video never be out. It should be out. In this I won't share some merge sort video now share and answer, right? I think there is merge I don't see a merge sorted list question, one of the Leetcode questions. Must solve it that, so you should see it. And see you swear no, they are sorting each, they are combining each of the sorted list no into merge sort algorithm. And no now here that's what you need to know. So if you don't know anything about merge sort algorithm, read a little bit about it and see how another one understanding how I may come about this solution, right? Merge sort is the engine of this solution. This pattern also a critical, so be understanding the entire example from you started with one step, now for the example 2 other steps, right? Into yanko the way. Actually, let me also explain another way. Anyways, this one so I explain it, right? Into we say no, we say you can't go anywhere, right? Into we anyway say never mind 1 1 3 4 4 5, right? Near they are combining 2 6. The 2 6 never mind 1 1 2 3 4 4 5 6. Ain't sa near we were saying, right? Yeah, I'm going to maybe I will solve a question. So first of all, I'm building a merge sort algorithm. We're going to merge sort two sorted lists, list 1 and list 2, right? You're going to say a pointer is equal to head of the list, and away in that solution back on me and fake head, right? It's something like this. Into while L1 and L2, so long as our L1 and L2 list no existing, you may compare two of them, right? You may compare L1 dot value if it's less than or equal to L2 in a value now a if condition. After the pointer dot next no is equal to L1. After they are shifted L1 no by 1 point, right? L1 is equal to L1 dot next. Okay, else it means the other scenario is true. Into no pointer dot next a equal to L2 and L2 a equal to L2 dot next. And this here pointer would have to move to pointer dot next, right? Nti se asan na se baako no slide no over values. So if nti here no pointer dot next is equal to L1 if L1 is not none, right? Else L2. Yeah, return a head dot next, right? Into way simple merge sort algorithm. And only they will combine two lists, no, right? Into no, you can't wait anyway, boomer. You can't wait anyway, boomer. You can't wait anyway, boomer. Yeah, can't boom now. Algorithm near they were solving code near they were met, they were coming in a boom. And no, no, see, I am bra. Wait, no, so. Until I make a step, right? Step. First one, one step. Into you initialize a step. Step is equal to 1, right? Now for the right is equal to the length of lists, right? Into while step here less than right now, right? For I in range 0, right, to right minus left to the length of right minus step, and I step times 2, right? Lists I A equal to merge sorts lists I and a list I plus step, right? I say no. You started fresh now, one step now, right? You step 1 was you way anyway penny a cabo, way anyway penny a cabo, but you can't way anyway boomer iteration step no. The next iteration you will move up 2, right? Into the and I say take anything you multiply way by 2 no. I start to say 1 no. Next, because if we have no step 2, which means I jump by that number of step, right? I jump by that number of step. Here we are. I say no use 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is doubling by 4 by 2, right? Multiples of 2. Into step after every loop, no step will increase by times 2. Here we are. We just return lists 0 if length if right is greater than 0, else returning that, right? Into say and over solve first. So we understand the concept of merge sort algorithm for linked lists, right? And secondly, what is our explanation we are saying? The way you move, you can we able my we are here, you know, see a jump with 2 steps, right? We are saying about here the same thing. I see about down, they move baby, you see a jump, right? So let's see if we are correct. Okay. Okay, list I. Let's see, what am I missing? Merge sort is not defined. Okay, so function, I'm trying to merge sort. My missy E. Right, so a merge sort, me and a meg sorts, merge sort. List ways capital L, it should be a small l, so hopefully yes. This is how I over solve merge case sorted list. Yeah, another approach I will to use heap. I think I know a video about how to solve this same problem using heaps. Any question be also about use to sort any kind of sort algorithm be an n log n, right? And a way by n log n solution with time complexity. All right. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.